The following is a presentation of Western Farmers Electric Cooperative.
We're at the second annual Shop Rat Showdown in Marietta. This year we've got about 90 projects here from Oklahoma and Texas. Lots of trailers and lots of really good projects.
I have, if I'm not wrong, about 60 hours into my project.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Metter. I'm 14 years old and in 8th grade. My 2026 ag project is called a gliding rocking chair. I found a couple different designs online and tweaked them and adjusted them to fit the general idea that I was looking for.
Give us your name.
Lorelei Vigil from Tommy FFA chapter in Texas.
Okay.
This is my project. It is a 16-foot, 7-foot tall rolling gate, and it has a hinge system for the wood in the very back.
Your name.
My name's Aubrey Chill, Marietta, Epting. I built this outdoor sphere. I got the idea from one just like this, but smaller in our classroom at the ag building, so I decided to build it. I bent it with a tubing roller, and I also bent this with a hand roller. Got about 34 hours.
But the top end of projects here and the quality of projects is just over the top. We've got some really large projects and some really good exhibitors this year.
Cam Peterson. My name's Holloway.
My name's Landee, Doshier.
My name's Dallie, Bledsoe.
And where are you guys from?
We are from Fairfax, Oklahoma, Woodland FFA.
All right.
This is our 32.5-foot long weekender horse trailer.
Okay.
I believe all together we have 981 hours altogether.
So a big part of what they do, other than the fabrication part, is going to be the interview skills. Judges interview them about their project, how they built it, what they used. Basically kind of like a salesperson where they're selling their product to an individual and explaining how they did it and what they did.
So, on the bottom of the inside is a dehumidifier. So if you had a wet gun, just plug in the dehumidifier and it will basically get it dry and won't let it rust.
So what it allows us in our particular chapter in particular is we advertise for certain projects to be built. We found people to sell that to, and then it allowed us to build a lot bigger project, a lot more expensive project that we may not be able to fund on our own. So, and I know there's some other chapters that have done the same thing, and it just frees up our money and our time. We don't have to worry about the chapter funding all of that.
I'm Barrett Grissom. I'm from Strother FFA.
My name's Lehman, and I'm from Strother FFA. It's our fully functioning hydraulic chute built for Blackjack Farms out of Seminole, Oklahoma.
Yeah, they came to us and requested and asked if we could build them a hydraulic chute. The most challenging part of the build is probably welding thick metal into thin metal.
Okay.
The favorite part of our build is how our table came out, that we have our hydraulic valve on, and we built a set of clipboard on and everything.
Okay.
Hours combined, we have 200.7. 10,236.
10,236. I imagine a lot of that is the hydraulics.
Yeah.
We have $3,053 in hydraulics.
I think we have 15 different schools here, from as far northwestern Oklahoma to just kind of north Texas area.
Schools from Texas for sure that
Yes,
I know of.
Tommy, Alstyne, and then we've got some schools from southeastern Oklahoma as far as Soper, northeastern as far as Sapulpa. So we've had some pretty good travel time on chapters coming here.